Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to update the Waze app in 2026. Keeping Waze updated helps make sure you have the latest features, improvements, and bug fixes. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Search for Waze using the search bar. Then select the official Waze app from the results. Look for the update button. If you see it, tap update and wait for the installation to finish. If you see an open button instead, your Waze app is already updated to the latest version available for your device. Once the updated is completed, open Waze and check the app is working normally. It's also a good idea to keep your phone connected to a stable internet connection during the update. And that's how to update the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.